Hello people, today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 150, that is reverse polish notation, and we have to evaluate that. And in this, we'll be given a string, an array of strings tokens that represent the arithmetic expression in reverse polish notation. I hope that everyone knows that what reverse polish notation is, or you can just simply click on this link. And it will direct you to this page of Wikipedia where you can learn more about reverse polish notation. And in this, basically, what's is like that firstly we'll be given numbers and then we'll be provided that what operation they are performing. Like let's say this 3 4 plus this stands for that firstly 3 plus 4, and it will result in 7. If I'll also show you it with the test case. Okay, and in fixes like this operator is present between, prefixes means that the operator is present before, and postfix polish notation means that the operation which we have to perform will be present after the numbers. Okay, so for this we use a stack, and I hope that you have studied about this in the general DSA classes of your computer science curriculum, or if you are not, then I would like to tell you that this is a very classic interview problem. And in this, okay, so the valid operators in this string will be plus, minus, multiply, and divide, and each operand may be an integer. The division between two integers always truncates towards 0, and there will be no division by 0. These are the things which are the constraints, or you can say the parameters within which our answer will be lying. Okay, so for in the first example we are given 2 1 and then we are given plus. Okay, so what that means is firstly we'll need to add 2 plus 1, that results in 3. Then it will be like 3 3 and then multiply, so that means 3 into 3, and that will result us in 9. Okay, so now let's start with it, and as I've already told you, we'll be needing a stack of, let's say, integer, and we'll be using a stack that will be equal to new stack. Okay, so now we'll be traversing in the tokens array, and okay, that for string s in tokens. Okay, so we'll be checking that if character dot is digit, that means that we encoded a digit, but there might be a chance that it is of length more than 0. So firstly we'll be checking that if it is dot char at 0, that means we know that at the first position a character is a digit is present. Okay, or okay, the length might be greater than 1, s dot length is greater than 1, and s dot char at 0 is equal to minus. Okay, so means we might be having negative numbers also, like in this case, yeah, minus 11. Okay, so for in this we don't have to perform the subtract operation, we just have to parse it into int, and then we have to push it to the stack. Okay, so then what we'll do stack dot push, stk dot push, and we'll be passing it to integer type, integer dot parse int s. Okay, and else what operation, what is the thing which we can have is we either have a operand, that is might be plus, divide, or subtract, or something else. Okay, so then let's check that if my s dot equals okay, equals either plus, okay, let's just copy this only, or it will copy, yeah, let me just first add, yeah, or it will be of divide or multiply or subtraction. Okay, so this is how we have to do, and because we'll be now have a kind of operand, so what we'll be doing, we'll be popping off the top two elements of the stack. Okay, so that if not stk dot is empty. Okay, so what we'll do, int b is will be equal to stack dot pop, and then we'll be checking again that if int a is equal to if not stack dot is empty, if not stack dot is empty, then again we'll be doing the pop operation, int a will be equal to stack dot pop. Okay, and now let's call the function. Let's have it variable as answer and call the operation function. Okay, operation, and in this we'll be passing a, b, and the character that we are having. So let's say s dot char at 0. Okay, so because we can pass the string also, but I'm just passing the character. And as I told you in this, that when we have performed the plus operation, we have to push the integer to the stack again. Okay, so as I told you that 2 plus 1 will result in 3, so we'll be pushing the 3 again to the stack. So is stack dot push answer. Okay, and at the end, okay, so on the top of my stack I'll be having my answer. Okay, so I'll be returning stack dot pop. Okay, so now let's write the operation function. Okay, so yeah, private int operation, and this will be taking parameters as a, int b, and char opr. Okay, operation basically. So we'll be checking that if operation is equal to plus, that means we have to return a plus b, or if the operation is equal to minus, we have to return a minus b. If the operation is equal to multiply, then we have to return a into b, return a into b. Or if the operation is equal to divide, we have to return a by b. Okay, so now let's run it. Okay, s dot char at 0 double equals to, okay, so yeah, now let's run it. Missing return statement. Okay, a standard return statement, else return. Okay, so this is not necessary at all. Let's do -1 because this will never be encountered. Okay, so and let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching.